Assalamu alaikum, wherever you're watching us from. Karibuni sana to another episode of Drill Kitchen, and I'm gonna be your host, Uncle Drill. Remember to wash your hands, sanitize, mask, nini hivi, because we have to fight the pandemic. Au sio? Uncle Drill say so. You see me?
6-bit music.
Tulikuwa tumeenda hiyo break, 1 hour break. Tumecheza FIFA na director ni amesikia, ni wewe umesikia ama ni kuna kitu imefanyika. Anyway, greetings wherever you're watching us from. Karibuni sana to another episode of Drill Kitchen, and I'm gonna be your host, Uncle Drill. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be making tandoori chicken. This is a craft I learned while I was interacting na machefs wangu kutoka huko pande za Asia, tukiwa Asia. So this is an Indian dish. Now I want to share with you some few tips on how to make a perfect tandoori chicken. So straight to the ingredients. Tunaanza wapi? Tunaanza na the chicken ndio tunatengeneza. So chicken first, and in this case nimekata in small bits like for sauteing ama supremes, chefs wanaita hivyo. So iko in bits, and then straight to another ingredient is yogurt. I hope ulieka ile yogurt ya last week vizuri, because you're gonna need some yogurt hapa. So plain yogurt kama kawaida, low fat proportion in the yogurt. So yogurt ni kitu poa sana kuwork now. And then we have garlic, we have ginger, and then lemon, because we're gonna need some lemon juice na pia lemon wedges kwa kuserve. Alright, green chilies ni ile pilipili, the raw ones, ndio. Yeah, so I think metaja everything. Oh, kuna onion. I have 1 onion. Hiyo itakama about kwa wakati wa kugarnish, or rather plating. And then yeah, we need some spices na sahau. We have cumin seeds, which we're gonna blend. And then we also have what oil. So yeah, so let's get to it. First things first, chicken we're gonna tear in like cuts. Tutakata kidogo venye mama Uthis anafanyaga fish pale. So we're gonna cut chicken a bit kidogo, so that we're gonna be doing some marinades, so that marination is sinking. All right, tunaweza fall short of time, but we're gonna try what to do, because marinade, at least you need at least 6 hours, and so 6 to 24 hours for this kind of method. So tutatwika kidogo, tusamea tu. Alright, so we're gonna cut kidogo, just through hivi kidogo. This helps in the cooking process, inaiva haraka. But the first thing, the marination is sinking. Okay, so I'm gonna give my chicken some little cuts. I don't know if you could see this, some little cuts. All right, straight in even to kama fish. All right, okay, so I'm gonna do this to all my chicken pieces, kamgu pale nini. And one little thing, wakati unapika chicken, some people like it with the skin, some don't like it with the skin. But while you're doing it with the skin, with the skin off, ukitoa skin, it you get to reduce your salt proportion in almost half. So if you don't want too much salt in, ama mzee pale chumvi kidogo, shida nini, you just remove the skin, and then you'll use, let's say, 50% of the salt. Okay, yeah, so like so. All right, so just cut through all this very quick. To through like this. Okay, chicken looking nice and easy. So now we're going to go to the next process, which is the garlic. Okay, the garlic. You're gonna give your garlic some cuts, fine chop kidogo. You're gonna try make it fine as possible. But watu wengine wanapenda garlic ikiwa pia some big chunks. Nategemea kwenye ni wapi, so tutakata hivyo at least some fine kidogo, and then we also gonna cut our lemon in half. I think that's enough of the garlic. All right, lemon. Right. Lemon. We're gonna squeeze our lemon hapo ndani into the chicken. Okay, like so. So turn kidogo. Alright. Salt. Hapa ndio salt naingia. Hata hii garlic sijui tulikata kazi gani kwa sababu tuitumii saa hii, but salt kidogo. Turn the chicken around and then salt to the other side also. Okay, like so. Sawa sawa. Haya, lemon juice ndani tena kidogo. And I think this is enough. Now we're gonna rub this together, okay, like so. And then tutaweka hii chicken isettle for around 20 minutes so that the lemon infuse in vizuri, okay. So rub this and then take this chicken into your chiller ama hata nje for roughly 20 minutes, and then we're gonna be back continuing the other process, okay. So let me put this in the chicken in the fridge. Did I just say chicken in the so now let's make our marination, yeah, marinade. As we now, after we done, we pick our chicken, sindio? Chicken in the chicken. Aya, blender. Blender. You're gonna need a blender. And then garlic tulichop. In this case hatuko na chop. In fact, we just had to put it straight because we had to blend it. And so tunaweka straight kule. So we're gonna put our garlic hapo, but tumesaidia reduce kidogo. I think we can add a little garlic. Just give it some big nice cuts, okay. We need tangawizi. Yeah, this is ginger. Is it ginger? Garlic, ginger. Yeah, ginger kidogo. Some just reduce the size kidogo, sawa. Yeah, hapo ndani. Okay. I think that's enough ginger. All right. Then we're gonna use now our cooking oil, okay. So you just sprinkle hiyo hapo ndani hivyo, enough because you just need it as smooth as everything smooth. So generous amount of cooking oil. Na hii mafuta na maneno, hii mafuta but there's some companies huku nje na to enjoy. Next time we need to look for a sponsor for this. Oh, but kama umeomoka kuna ka olive oil. Bado mimi naomoka tu pole pole. Nikafupi. So kadogo, but with time tatafuta kubwa, okay? So cumin seeds, cumin seeds. Let your ancestors guide you, okay? On the amount of cumin utaweka. I think just kidogo hivi because you need the cumin zikiwa grounded, okay? All right. But kama uko na powder hakuna shida, you can also use powdered, sawa sawa. All right. And then we're gonna use some color, food color. We're gonna put red and red and yellow. Red ile uko nayo. But in the meantime, hii intensity imekuwa mingi, so wacha tuweke ka juice kidogo hapa. Tusikie fiti. Yes, unajua hapa kwa hii show tunapenda kusikia fiti. So, Go Fruit ndio hiyo. Check out Go Fruit. Very good drink. You can check out from your local store. Comes in various flavors. Ini mango, iko apple, iko orange, iko ile unataka. Ukitaka make cocktail, sawa. Mabarista, I recommend. Watu nyumbani pia, I recommend. Sawa. Cheers to the Go Fruit. Au sio? Yeah, you see me? Tamu sana. Okay. Go Fruit kando. Back to our marinade. Wacha to clear this up. So I think the set looking good. Clear all this. Remember your bin lazima ikuwe karibu na yeye kidogo pia, so you don't have a messy kitchen. Sawa. As we do so, we're gonna have at least 3 to 4 green chilies. But I had Trafi told me that he's gonna provide me with some chilies to try out with my chicken. So wacha tuweke 3, but tunaweza tumia 4. So tuta review chakula na hiyo sauce ya Trafi, au sio? Wacha tutaona vile ita turn out. So give some chops hivyo, siogope. You know Indians love chili kwa food, au sio? So chop the chilies like so. Looking good. Looking nice. Some good cuts za chili hapo, au sio? Okay. Tutakata kidogo hivyo. Tuweke hapo to the side. Alright. There's one ingredient mesao, which is supposed to be the garam masala. Garam masala. I forgot to mention the garam masala. But kwa ingredients still, we need to mix this up. You know Indians also love masala. So we're gonna use iko in powdered form. So garam masala kidogo ndani. Ancestors ndio anasema. Anasema tosha. Garam ndio. Looking nice. Now we're gonna blend this. Power sauce. So plug in your blender, okay? And then I'm gonna put this hapa. Ewe, funiko blender. Yeah. Funiko hapo, okay? Safety first, Ewe, Go Fruit bana. Tamu sana. Okay. Blend that in. Too much noise. Just blend that in, okay? Yeah. More oil to that. Alright. I think our mix is looking good. Okay, 20 minutes Alicia, so we're gonna grab our chicken in the chicken.
A few moments later.
So here's our chicken. It's set for some time. so it may suck in the lemon. Okay, so chicken hapo, that's about to get our hands dirty. Kumbuke corona iko pale nje, so masks pale kidogo. Kama uko kwa restaurant, you know the rules, unaweza tumia the latex ones ama utumie pia the paper ones, okay? Whichever you can get, ama whichever you can afford, whichever you like, depends. All right, marinade. Let's get our marinade into the chicken. Okay, just round kidogo. Turn this through, and that through. Okay, then you're gonna get your yogurt, right? Yogurt. So I don't know, just have enough amount of yogurt hapo. I hope that's not too much, that's not too little. It's time to get your hands dirty. Mix in the yogurt, sawa. Mix in like so, right? Okay. Zinakaa mambo ingine. Okay. Hands are clean. Now get your chili. Just have the sprinkle around. Don't worry. That's how we serve the tandoori. Sawa. Oh yeah. On this side, I told you about something like food color to give it the red appeal. So you're gonna use maybe you can have your the tomato red is the good match. You just need a little, just a drop, because I don't even prefer or I don't recommend food color, but this is how they do the dish. So I'm gonna have just maybe I need something like a tomato red and yellow. This is egg yellow. So I just need a little of the mix, okay? So just get that. You can use the back of your spoon. Then to mix na maji, so just a little of red. Kidogo sana. And then some yellow. Yellow pia kidogo. Okay. Then some little water. Give a marinade a little of some red color, okay? Something like that, just a red color, okay? Then gonna have that straight into a mix like so, okay? All right. Mix up again. This time around, kijiko tu kidogo tu, like so. No pressure. Simple like that. So don't be worried because of the too much yogurt or stuff, because you need to drain as much if not all of the marinade, okay? So just rub that through. Kwa zile cuts ulipiga, weka hapo ndani kidogo like so. Squeeze in the marinade hapo ndani, okay? Then this is the time ambao now we put the marinade into the chiller wrap for 6 to 24 hours according to your preference, but for us we're just gonna do this maybe in 1 hour. So you just put it in 1 hour, and then come back. Alright?
1 hour later.
Tulikuwa tumeenda hiyo break, 1 hour break. Tumecheza FIFA na director ni amesikia, ni wewe umesikia ama ni kuna kitu imefanyika. Anyway, now we're gonna put our chicken into the oven. So baking tray, you just need to grease oil hivyo kidogo, okay? And then you need a brush. Kama una brush, piga mkono hapo kwani nini? So brush like so, okay? Make sure iko even because we know tukianza kuweka ndio zisishike, okay? All right. That to the side. And then I also need to have something called a tongue. Kama una tongue, it's all good bado. So you can use a spoon, you can use a fork, you can use whatever. You can use your hand. So chicken like so. Tokota. Okay. Gonna remove the marinade. Hivyo dogo. Panga hapo vizuri. Chukua ingine. Okay. I think I need something to marinade. Just dry as much marinade as possible. Sasa panga hapo. Get another piece. Wipe off the marinade. Panga hapo. And so on to all the other pieces. Okay, now to the last piece. Panga hivyo. Just give some little space in throughout. Sawa? Haya. Najua kuna mtu anajiuliza hii inaenda wapi. Sijali. You can always do a lot of creative stuff with this. You can make a sauce with this and then also serve with this. So kunaga waste jikoni. So I'm gonna put this to the chiller. Maybe remove niweke kwa container ndogo and then next time I'm gonna use in making something, a sauce or something, okay? So into the oven. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Okay. All right. Oven. One thing I forgot to say about the oven, you need to reheat your oven. Ready right about now. So let's check. But meanwhile ikiwa kwa oven bado unafaa ku keep a close eye, unaangalia, okay? So this is around 20 to 25 minutes. That's why I told you you need to have small cuts. Sawa? All right. Nice. Sasa kunanukia. Kunanukia. Wacha tu. All right. Chicken looking nice. Oven off kila kitu. So now it's that time to yeke kwa sahani au sio? So some little of garnish hivi kidogo and then we call it a wrap au sio? Okay. So knife kawaida. Tongue. Just get your pieces easy. Panga hiyo hapo. Hiyo hapo. Okay. Another piece. And probably another one. Yeah. Okay. Travis sauce is now here. So tutajaribu hiyo sauce tuone how we gonna feel about it. So in the meantime, let me just move my chicken hapo kando kidogo. And then we're gonna get the sauce. It's ready. Nuka moto wewe. I hope you like it. So later on in the show to try this food, I have a friend of mine who's gonna help me what do you call this, review the food as much as also the sauce. So tutaweka hapo, and then I think we could do a puree of the of the sauce. Let's do a quick puree of the sauce. There's some garnishing tips pale. Just watch closely, okay? Let's do a puree of the sauce. Alright, looking good. I think one extra piece, like maybe this piece is good. Okay, nice. Alright, now to the garnish. Gonna cut some rings, onion rings. Just remove that very first. Just a little bit of the onions, okay, to the garnish. Alright, let's have that around there. So looking good. Alright, lemon wedge. Just have like around two of them will be good. Yeah, maybe 3. Let's try. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, lemon wedges to the side, just like so. Right, the 4th one. Okay, now we're done, and now we can put some sprinkle of a little of garnish. So we're gonna put at least something to make it look more impressive. Okay, so if you have parsley, the grounded one, it's okay. If you have also thyme, grounded one, it's okay. I have dried thyme, which I'll just sprinkle real quick on the top. Okay, then to finish up, we're gonna have at least some paprika. Okay, give it just a good touch. Oops. Next time use a spoon, right? Next time make sure to use a spoon while doing so. Okay, and so now we're done. And that's how chicken's supposed to look like. And I'm gonna give you a quick review of the presentation. Next time kumbuka kutumia jiko, sawa sawa. Just so how that happened.
6-bit music.
And so that's how you make nice tandoori chicken. Serving options, you can go with rice. Also you can try something like maybe naans. That's what the Indians prefer. Alafu pia, yeah, you can just serve with anything you need. Maybe you can serve even with potatoes, mayonnaise, saute, whatever it is. Alafu na ka drink kidogo. So we're gonna go and try test our food out, tuone how it works. Sawa? Okay, sawa. In the meantime, we're gonna wrap it our episode hapa hivi. And kama kawaida, keep drilling. Uncle Drill say so. You see me? Respect. Boom.